Fun fact, the average dad spends 72 hours a year fighting a lawnmower that was working fine yesterday.
Here's your hack. Just let the mower choose its own path. It's called free-range landscaping. Very natural, very trendy. If it hits the neighbor's tulips, we never had this conversation.
Hey, yard work's not about perfection. It's about convincing yourself you're doing great while the lawn stages a revolt. You've got this.
Statistically, that could have gone way worse.
Yeah, it could have actually worked.
We'll call this growth.